Are you tired of greasy, calorie-heavy meals that weigh you down? Or perhaps you're juggling a packed schedule and need a kitchen appliance that's versatile and easy to use? Meet the Lature 4.2 Quart Air Fryer Oven Cooker, a game changer for home cooks who want crispy, flavorful food without the guilt. This CE-certified, compact powerhouse makes healthy cooking effortless, delivering restaurant-quality results right in your kitchen. In this in-depth review, we'll explore why this air fryer is a must-have, breaking down its features, benefits, and real-world performance to help you decide if it's the perfect fit for your culinary needs. Why choose the Lature 4.2 Quart Air Fryer? The Lature 4.2 Quart Air Fryer isn't just another kitchen gadget, it's a lifestyle upgrade. With its sleek black design, intuitive controls, and multifunctional capabilities, it's built to simplify meal prep while prioritizing health and convenience. Whether you're a busy parent, a health-conscious foodie, or a novice cookie, this air fryer delivers on all fronts. Let's dive into what makes it stand out. Key features that set it apart. 360-degree hot air circulation technology. This innovative system uses rapid airflow to cook food evenly, reducing fat by 70 to 80% compared to traditional deep frying. Enjoy crispy exteriors and tender interiors without excess oil. 4.2 quart capacity with pizza pan. Perfect for small to medium households, 2 to 4 people. This air fryer handles everything from family-sized portions of fries to a whole pizza thanks to the included pizza pan. Its compact design fits neatly on any countertop. Multifunctional cooking. Replace multiple appliances like toasters, rotisseries, and ovens. With a temperature range of 170 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, it's ideal for air frying, roasting, baking, and even dehydrating fruits. 6 easy cook presets. Take the guesswork out of cooking with presets for chicken, pizza, steak, fish, drumsticks, and more. Each preset optimizes time and temperature for perfect results every time. Dishwasher-safe. Non-stick basket. Cleanup is a breeze with the non-stick dishwasher-safe basket. Simply pop it in the dishwasher or wipe it down with a damp cloth for hassle-free maintenance. Hassle-free operation. The intuitive black knob controls and 30-minute auto shut-off timer make it user-friendly for all ages, from kids to seniors. Overheating protection adds an extra layer of safety. CE certified. Rest easy knowing this air fryer meets stringent safety and quality standards, ensuring reliable performance and peace of mind. Benefits of the Lature air fryer. Healthier meals. Without sacrificing flavor, by slashing fat content by up to 80%, this air fryer lets you enjoy your favorite fried foods. Think crispy fries, juicy wings, and golden drumsticks without the guilt. It's a win for your taste buds and your waistline. Time-saving convenience. With quick preheat times and efficient cooking, you can whip up meals in a fraction of the time compared to traditional ovens. Perfect for busy weeknights or impromptu gatherings. Versatility for every kitchen. From baking pizzas to roasting veggies, this air fryer's multifunctionality means you can declutter your kitchen by replacing bulky appliances. It's like having a mini oven, fryer, and dehydrator in one. Effortless cleanup. The dishwasher-safe basket and non-stick coating make post-cooking cleanup a breeze, saving you time and energy for what matters most: enjoying your meal. Budget-friendly performance. Priced competitively, the Lature air fryer offers premium features at a fraction of the cost of high-end models, making it an excellent value for money. Who is this air fryer for? The Lature 4.2 Quart Air Fryer is ideal for small to medium households, perfect for couples, small families, or roommates, 2 to 4 people, who want to cook healthy meals without wasting counter space. Health-conscious cooks. If you're looking to cut calories and fat without sacrificing flavor, this air fryer is your go-to. Busy professionals and parents. The quick cooking times and easy presets make it a lifesaver for those with packed schedules. Beginner cooks. The intuitive controls and presets make it approachable for those new to cooking or air frying. Budget shoppers. Anyone seeking a high-quality air fryer at an affordable price will appreciate its value. Why now is the time to buy? With the rise of health-conscious cooking and the demand for time-saving kitchen solutions, air fryers are more popular than ever. The Lature 4.2 Quart Air Fryer combines affordability, functionality, and style, making it a standout choice in a crowded market. Its compact size, versatile cooking options, and easy cleanup make it a no-brainer for anyone looking to elevate their culinary game. Plus, with its CE certification, you're investing in a safe, reliable appliance that's built to last. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.